The 2023 Dacia Duster is an impressive offering in the budget SUV segment, blending affordability, performance, and practicality. As a part of the Renault Group, Dacia has been successful in delivering quality automobiles at competitive prices. The third-generation Duster is no exception, building on the strengths of its predecessors while introducing a host of new features and enhancements to attract customers seeking an affordable, yet reliable and attractive SUV. The exterior design of the Dacia Duster presents a modern, robust appearance, reflecting the SUV's off-road capabilities. Borrowing design cues from its parent company, Renault, the Duster sports a new front grille, LED headlights and taillights, and a refreshed rear design. The overall look is both stylish and functional, providing improved aerodynamics and an aggressive stance on the road. The interior of the new Duster has been redesigned to offer a more comfortable and convenient driving experience. High-quality materials and better ergonomics make for an enhanced cabin experience, while the improved sound insulation reduces cabin noise. The SUV offers ample storage space, with a boot capacity of 445 liters, expandable to 1,478 liters, with the rear seats folded down. In terms of engine options, the Dacia Duster provides a range of powertrains to suit various needs. A 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine produces 90 horsepower, while a more powerful 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivers 130 horsepower. A 1.5-liter diesel engine is also available, with either 95 or 115 horsepower. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, Dacia has introduced a hybrid powertrain, which combines a 1.6-liter petrol engine with two electric motors, offering lower emissions and improved fuel efficiency. The Duster comes with a choice of front-wheel or all-wheel drive, catering to customers' diverse requirements. The all-wheel drive system provides better traction and stability on various terrains, while the front-wheel drive version offers improved fuel economy for everyday driving. Both options come with a manual or automatic transmission, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The Dacia Duster is known for its affordability, and the 2023 model continues this tradition. With a starting price well below that of many competitors, the Duster provides great value for money, especially considering the array of features and options available. Its low running costs, including insurance, fuel, and maintenance, add to the SUV's appeal for budget-conscious buyers. The 2023 Dacia Duster is a versatile and affordable SUV that appeals to a wide range of customers. Its stylish design, comfortable interior, a variety of engine options, and advanced safety features make it an attractive choice in the budget SUV segment. With the addition of a hybrid powertrain and enhanced technology, the Duster remains a strong contender for those seeking a reliable and cost-effective vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.